Hi everyone, welcome back to another business analysis video. In today's video, we will be learning the lingo, understanding the key terms and concepts of business analysis. If you're aspiring to become a business analyst or you've just started in this field, business analysis is not just about requirements and stakeholders. Understanding the language, the terms, the jargon, the acronyms is crucial. So let's dive right into today's topic. First up, have you ever heard of scope creep? When I heard about it, when I heard that term, I had no idea what it was, right? But it's not as spooky as it sounds. However, it can haunt your projects. This term really describes how a project grows beyond its original ambition, often causing delays and budget overruns. So that's what really scope creep means. Now, moving on to the next term is user stories and use cases. I have an existing video about user stories. Click the link to watch. User stories and use cases are short, simple descriptions of a feature from the perspective of the end user. They are really the building blocks for your project requirements. Now, the third term that you will come across is non-functional requirements, also known as NFRs. I have an existing video if you want to know in detail what these entail. Click the link. NFRs are the conditions that the system must meet, unrelated to specific behaviors like security, scalability, and performance standards. Next, we have API, which stands for Application Programming Interface. It's a set of protocols and tools for building software and application. A business analyst needs to understand API because they allow different systems to communicate with each other, making integration seamless. So they're very important for integration type projects. Next, we have RFP, which stands for Request for Proposal. This is a document that solicits proposals, often through a bidding process by the company interested in procuring a service or a valuable asset. So they ask that company to propose a solution for their problem. So as a business analyst, you often help to draft or respond to RFPs, detailing project requirements and expected outcomes. Now, moving on to UML, which stands for Unified Modeling Language. It's a standardized modeling language used to specify, visualize, construct, and document the artifact of software systems. VAs use UML to create process flows and frameworks that guide development teams. Now, finally, let's talk about SOW, or statement of work. This is also a document. It captures and defines all the aspects of the project. In this document really outlines the scope of work, the objectives, the schedules, and the deliverables of the project, making sure that everyone is aligned. So these are just a few of the terms that you need to navigate as you advance in business analysis. So understanding these terms would not only help you in your role, but also during interviews and networking with peers in meetings. You really want to know what they're referring to when they use these terms. And it will also help you to feel more confident. Okay, so I hope that these few ones I've talked about helps you feel more confident about your BA vocabulary. If you have any questions or need further clarification, leave a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. You never know who it might help. Till I see you in my next one. Peace.